Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at how to use Gale Biography in context to research influential people from history and today. Biography in context brings together biographical reference entries, news, academic articles, and multimedia content. It's great for learning about people's lives, careers, and impacts. Perfect for essays, presentations, or just for background research. To access Gale Biography in context, from the BC homepage, click Services and Resources, scroll down to Library, click that, scroll down to Research, click that, and then go to Find all of our databases with A to Z databases. And here, the quickest way to get to this database is in the subjects line to choose Biography. And if you choose Biography and search, it will be the first one, Biography in Context. So click that and make sure that you sign in with your BC credentials along this process so you can fully access all the resources available to you. From the Gale in Context Biographies homepage, you can search for people directly into the search bar, or you can see what's featured on the main screen, which are current influential people that are of note. Similarly, you could browse by category. For example, you could look at actors, inventors, scientists, and if you wanted to see a full list of the people, you would go to Browse People. So click that. And since there are so many people, as you can see, there are a ton of people. So you could search by topics. Here on the bar, you could click New or Updated, so it'll give you the most recent updates, or you could search by categories, like on the homepage. For example, actors, African Americans or Black Americans, artists, aviators, etc. And just to show you the resources that are available to you, we can click one and I will show you around. So I'm just going to click Genghis Khan. And here on the main page of the topic, of the person, in this case, Genghis Khan, we can see the resources that are here. We have 2 featured content pieces. We have 4 specific biographies, some academic journal articles, a lot of news sources, and even some magazine articles. And more resources than that, actually. But to brush up your background knowledge of whomever you are searching for, you can go to Read Overview, which will give you a digest of the person that you have searched for. So as you can see here, plenty of information. And if you even wanted to cite the overview page, you can do that here by clicking any of the source citation buttons here and then copying them for your works cited, bibliographies, or references pages. And all resources are going to have this source citation available to you, so luckily you won't have to start from scratch every time. You can also go to More Like This. On the right-hand side, we have some article contents here. These are the sections in the article, related subjects, which is just Genghis Khan at this point, but there are more resources available to you here. And I'm just going to go back and show you the topic finder. So, like the other Gale databases, if you go to topic finder, you could search within your main topic, in this case, Genghis Khan. So you can search for any topic you might want to see that is connected to the person, or you can look at the categories that are provided to you. So these are the connections that actually exist in the current database. So as you can see, Mongolia, Mongolian are pretty big ones, as well as Empire. And from here, you could click them and explore specific resources for the Mongol subsection of Genghis Khan, and the results will be brought up to you on the right-hand side. If you want to further limit that, you could click one of them, in this case, history, and then it will bring up the historical resources. So Gale Biography in Context is the perfect place to learn about key figures and understand their influence in contexts both historical and current. If you have any questions on how to navigate the database, or if you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We are here to help.